is how the car is acting right now. The traction light is on, the VSC and everything. The check engine light is just blipping. This is when I put the gas on. I don't know if you can hear it, but there is like a lag in the vibration, so that's the sound of a missing cylinder. So to confirm what kind of errors I have in the car, I'm gonna go ahead and take my handy OBD reader. So this OBD2 reader uses the Bluetooth interface to connect with my phone and the car itself. It reads almost all the data that I need in terms of live data or system reports, and it's really handy. I'll show you the screen record in a while. As soon as I install the OBD here, I can go ahead and connect with my phone via Bluetooth. And the good thing with this OBD port is that I can also have a CarPlay application so that I can access, whenever I connect the OBD with the car, I can directly get the data on my aftermarket screen and also see direct dashboards and information which I'd like to read for my own analysis. Okay, so for now it's showing me that I have a cylinder 6 misfire. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that is. So if it's a cylinder 6, it starts this way. Since it's a V6, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth cylinder would be on this end, and we have to replace the spark plug. Just a rule of thumb, if you're changing the spark plug, you can go ahead and change all of them together.